Okay.
And we have got this measuring stuff. But that's for my toys. So we just decided to make it with these measurers.
Okay.
They're actually really good. I like them. I like the pink. Pink is my favorite. And we got a measurer. We got a scooper, watermelon, sugar, and we got a blender, and we got popsicle sticks, and we got our mold. Let's begin. I'm going to take the mold and keep it in here. I'm going to put the mold. I think so this one. Do it. Hi guys! Today we just put the watermelon popsicles in the freezer. So this time we are going to make the fresh watermelon popsicles. Let's start making. We got our sticks here. We got our fresh cut watermelon. And there you go. Your normal popsicle. I'm going to try it. It tastes like the real watermelon. Now that when they're done, they look like this. I'm gonna try.